Hey guys, what's up? It's me Aditya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a backbend and how to come up from a backbend. Let's start without wasting any time. So guys, my mom taught me this doing backbend and coming up from a backbend, and she taught me more things, and I will be posting soon. And there is her channel in which she posts yoga stuff, and she will be posting more very soon. So if you are interested, then go and check out her channel. I will give the link in the description box. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my and her channel. That would mean a lot. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.